Hi, FlipGrid is a great application that teachers can use to combine technology with content in the classroom. It's particularly going to be beneficial for our district that has implemented one-to-one devices and has Google Chromebooks in the high school and iPads in the middle school. We have Google Classroom for every course at the high school and the middle school, and every student has a Google email. So FlipGrid is an interactive program that works on multiple devices. It allows for discussion groups, question and answer sessions, and the unique thing about FlipGrid is all of the responses are posted by video from the students. And so then as the students all record their responses, a grid appears on the screen, and you can see each student's video, and students can watch each other's videos and comment on them, and it's just a really neat application. All the responses are posted to the same page in a grid format where all students and the teacher can see the posted videos. This program can be modified to be as private or as public as the teacher determines it to be. The comments can be turned on or off based on what the teacher wants from the discussion question, and the students can utilize a recording device that's built into FlipGrid that allows students to pause the recording, upload sound bites, upload snippets of video, document files, or even pictures into their video. They can edit it before they upload it. It's just a really neat program. My goal in discussing FlipGrid is to inform and educate my teaching peers, especially in the Paola School District, about utilizing technology that will help enhance their classroom experience, and also utilize the one-to-one technology that our district has implemented. The ISTE standards reflected in this technology are 4C, 5B, and 7A, utilizing collaborative tools to expand students' real-world learning experiences virtually with each other and globally with other students. And then also to design authentic learning activities that align with content area standards and can maximize active, deep learning through reflection and utilizing digital tools, and then also providing alternative ways for students to provide feedback and demonstrate their competency and fluency in a subject matter. And I think sometimes FlipGrid can give students a chance to think about a discussion question, ponder their response, record it, edit it if necessary, and then upload it. And some students that may feel the pressure to say the right thing or not speak at all in the classroom would really benefit from FlipGrid. So FlipGrid definitely is social learning application. You can create a FlipGrid question and then post the code, and then students will enter the flip code in order to go into the grid and post their answers. There's an educator login. It's free to have an account. It's free to facilitate the process. And this is what a FlipGrid would look like in the classroom. Students would click to go in, and you would see the students that have posted, and then it will show if students have liked their video or if they have comments. It will appear down below. It's very similar to, as far as I can tell, to a Google Plus discussion board. So FlipGrid is the leading video discussion platform. Millions of educators use it for anywhere from preschool students all the way through PhD candidates in college and public and private schools around the world. It's very user-friendly, it's safe, and it's easy for teachers to implement and utilize without a lot of tutorial training. Educators can inspire students with topics. They can create a post, and then students will come and respond, and it can be an ongoing conversation for a semester, like discussing books that are being read in an ELA classroom, or it can just be informational to kind of help a teacher get to know their students better, or instructional at the beginning of the year. Students read the discussion post, or sometimes the teacher will videotape a discussion topic, their thoughts on it, what the expectations are for the response postings, and then students will record their responses and upload them to the FlipGrid. And also students can reply to each other's videos. The camera is a nice tool within FlipGrid. Students can give a short presentation if they want to and upload that. Maximum time is 5 minutes for a student posting. They can set various settings and use tools within the application, and they are able to pause, restart, add text to their video, and attach links if they want to. It's user-friendly, very user-friendly for any device. It's not Apple or Google or Android specific, so you can use it with any device. And it really helps students that wouldn't normally speak out in the classroom to expand their thoughts. So teachers can create a free account, as I mentioned. They create the grid. They can name it after their class or set security settings. Only those with the URL or the website can find the grid, and it's locked down in that manner. And the teachers will add topics such as questions or themes, or maybe different books that are being discussed within an ELA classroom. At least one topic is required in order to generate and start the FlipGrid. And you can usually start with something like class introductions, so students can all introduce themselves to each other in a video format. And you can use unlimited topics throughout the year. Students then share with each other. They don't have to create an account in FlipGrid in order to utilize it. They just need the website URL in order to join your FlipGrid classroom. It's user-friendly for all types of devices, and students with mobile devices can use FlipGrid on their phones if they download the free app, which are available through Android, Google Play, or iPhone. So there's a lot of ready-to-go topics available if a teacher is wanting to utilize FlipGrid but struggling to think of a topic or the right way to phrase it. There's a lot of fun memes and different ways to present information and get feedback from students, and to energize and develop creativity. So you can also do video downloads, have stickers, have rubrics that are custom designed for FlipGrid, give video feedback back to your students if they generate presentations via FlipGrid, and then you can also sync up with other classrooms and share your FlipGrids with other, for example, in my marketing class, we can share different marketing advertising pitches with other advertising classes in our district region before going to FBLA state competitions. And as I mentioned, it is 100% free for teachers to sign up and use, and students do not have to generate an account. And here are my citations for FlipGrid.